Hey parents, when it comes to opening up a checking or a savings account for your child, you have so many options. But I want to highlight one that is often underrated and overlooked. That would be your local credit union. You should really check them out. Credit unions are a great place to open up your child's savings or checking account because there are some benefits, right? Often credit unions will offer lower fees. That's important. They will offer more favorable interest rates. That's important. Not only for your child, but for you as well. So if you are looking for an auto loan, a home equity line of credit, a personal loan, credit unions are known for offering more favorable rates, and they are able to do that because they often don't have the overhead of, thousands of employees or thousands of brick and mortar locations, right? So they are able to send those savings directly to you. So check them out. Credit unions may just be the way to